Let's start by importing our file. Click on get data, select CSV and choose our CSV file, then click load. Once the data is loaded, you will see it on the right hand side in the data pane. Now let's rename this table to sales. Next, we are going to create a new table called date table. Date table equal to 8 columns. We will add new columns in our table. Calendar, minimum sales date, maximum sales date. Year equal to year, it will tell that this is the years. Month number, this will tell the month number, just like for an example January 1, February 2, and it goes like this. Month format, it means January will show here as a JAN, February will be show here as FEB. Quarter, which means it will make the grouping of the month just like Q1, Q2, Q3. So why do we need a date table in Power BI? If you look at the sales table, Power BI does not clearly understand which part of the date is year, month, or quarter. But with the date table, it becomes very easy for Power BI to recognize year, month, and quarter, which helps in time-based analysis. Now click on Table View to see the newly created date table. After that, go to Model View and create a relationship between the two tables. Simply drag and drop the date column that is common in both tables. Now go back to report view and let's start creating measures. First, right click on the sales table and select new measures. Total sales equal to sum sales amount. This measures calculates the total sales amount, basically the grand total of all sales. Next, again right click on sales and select new measures to calculate last year sales. Sales last year equal to calculate total sale same period last year. Date table date. Let's understand this with an example. If today's date is March 1, 2025, this means this measure compares it with March 1, 2024. That's how this formula works. Now let's create another measures for year to date sales. Sales YTD is equal to total YTD, total sales, date table date. For example, if we have a sales data for the 3 months, this measures will calculate sales from January to March and gives us the total year to date sales. Now let's create a month to date sales measures. Sales MTD equal to total MTD, total sales, date table date. Here we are calculating sales from the start of the month until today. For example, sales from January 1st, January 2nd, January 3rd. This is useful when we want to analyze day to day sales. Finally, let's create a year over year percentage measures. YoY percentage equal to divide total sales last year, comma sales last year. This measure shows the percentage increase or decrease in the sales compared to last year. In the next video, I will show you how to create visuals using these measures. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the more videos.